Ready to ring in the new year in style? Whether you're planning a cozy get-together or an all-out bash, we've got the perfect tips to make your celebration unforgettable. First things first, set the mood. For a truly festive atmosphere, think Glamorous. Gold, silver, black, and a touch of sparkle go a long way. Decorate with glittering garlands, twinkling fairy lights, and metallic accents. Add a disco ball for that perfect party vibe, because who doesn't love a little extra shimmer? Next up, a DIY champagne bar. Set the stage for celebration with a selection of bubbly and fun garnishes. Think fresh berries, citrus slices, or even a splash of flavored syrups. Guests will love crafting their own unique champagne cocktails while you all toast to a brand new year. Lighting is key to creating the right mood. Use soft, warm lights, candles, or LED string lights to fill the space with a cozy glow. And for an extra touch of fun, don't forget that disco ball. It'll keep the party energy high all night long. Now, for the most exciting moment, the countdown to midnight. Be sure to have noisemakers, confetti poppers, and streamers ready. When the clock strikes 12, it's time to celebrate the start of a brand new year. Of course, a party's never complete without drinks. Set up a DIY cocktail station with a variety of mixers, spirits, and fun garnishes. Let your guests get creative with their cocktails, whether they're shaking up a classic or trying something totally new. And what's a celebration without delicious bites? Serve up some glamorous finger foods, like gourmet sliders, smoked salmon, canapes, and a charcuterie board. That's as pretty as it is tasty. Keep things easy and elegant. Bite-sized, festive treats that everyone will love. Don't forget to keep the fun going with activities. Set up a photo booth with fun props, or try a New Year's resolutions wall where guests can write down their hopes for the year ahead. Games, contests, or even a best dressed competition will keep the laughter flowing as the night progresses. With these easy tips, you'll host the perfect New Year's Eve party, one full of sparkle, joy, and unforgettable moments. So grab your party hats, pop that cork, and celebrate the start of a brand new year with the people you care about. Here's to a fabulous 2024.